Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, heated front seats. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.